Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is CPP Mat2 Answer7. So first question is, when does memory leak occur? Okay, so when I create a uh, pointer P, and I allocate memory dynamically using new keyword, but I forgot, or like I do not deallocate it. So and that pointer goes out of scope. So now I have lost the reference of the like I have lost the pointer, so I cannot deallocate that memory. And that uh, this is the situation where the memory leak occurs. So in short, when I allocate the memory dynamically but I do not deallocate that memory, then the memory leak occurs. What are the different types of smart pointers and discuss the difference between them? Okay, the first type and very most usable, like the very beginner friendly smart pointer is unique pointer. So uh, it's a special kind of it's a type of smart pointer where it allocates memory, but the memory that it is pointing towards it, uh, we cannot point towards that memory. For example, let's say it is like it is pointing towards X memory, then I cannot point towards that X memory from any other pointer. So it will not allow me to point towards the memory that this unique pointer is pointing towards. Okay. Then second is shared pointers. So shared pointers allows me to make a copy pointer. So I can point towards the memory that my shared pointer is pointing towards. But when I do that, it will keep a variable inside it, that is no counter inside it, that is no known as a reference count. And so it keeps count of how many variables are pointing towards the memory location that this shared pointer is pointing towards. And when all the other, like when this reference counter is 1, only then it will deallocate the memory that it is pointing towards. uh, then there are third type is weak pointer. So weak pointer are same as shared pointer, but the only difference between them is I can point towards a shared pointer I can point towards shared pointer uh, from weak pointer. And when I do that, the counter of shared pointer will not be increased. So let's say there are 5 variables that are pointing towards the same memory location that the shared pointer is pointing towards. And now I add a sixth one, the weak pointer that points towards the same memory location. So it will not increase the counter of the shared pointer. So when all the four uh, pointers pointing towards the shared pointers memory location are when they goes out of scope, the shared pointer will be deallocated. So I can check in that situation that is my weak like through the weak pointer, that is my shared pointer is deallocated or not. So that is the use of it, that we can check if the shared pointer is deallocated or not from weak pointer. Then the third question is, what are 5 segments of memory layout in C++ program? Okay, so there are as I say, 5 memory segments. First is stack. So any local variable that we create will go inside a memory that will act as a stack. Okay, so then there is another one is heap. So any memory that I allocate dynamically will be allocated inside a heap. And then there is code. So whichever the current code that needs to be executed by CPU is stored inside this code memory. Then there is data. So any global variables that my program has, or any static variable that my program has, so will and they are in if they are initialized, they will be stored inside a data memory segment. And If those global variables or static variables are not initialized, then they will be stored inside a PSS memory segment. Thank you.